Hello everyone and welcome to another unboxing from EMK. Today we are celebrating a very royal event here. It is the Coronation, May the 6th, 2023 1 ounce silver coin set, and we're going to begin with the silver. Now the Coronation, of course, for King Charles III. You will see here that each box is wrapped in a little bit of cloth, and this is of course to protect the box, and it also acts as a cleaning cloth as well. Now we'll start first with the certificate. You can see it's looking very regal here, very royal blue, lovely, and it is of course our certificate of authentication, of authenticity, and it's got all of our stats on there. You would have seen there we've got 1 ounce silver. It is a proof coin, and that is 99.9% silver. Now of course on the coin we have King Charles III himself. This is taken from the Coronation Day, so he's looking very royal there, of course, with his robes and his scepter and everything that goes along, not to forget the crown itself. Now speaking of the crown, here we have the Queen. Now I have to say personally I think it's fantastic that she is on this coin. This is of course an image of her on her Coronation Day. Now we'll get a better look at this. We'll just take the coin out of the capsule. There we are. Always lovely when you can remove the coins from the capsules to get a better look, specifically in regards to this piece, because there's so much detail on the royal accessories here, the robe itself, even so much down to the slight fur going around the robe. Really nice there. The crown is standing out so beautifully, and there we can see engraved we've got King Charles III 2023 Coronation. And many of you probably watched this live or have seen footage of it since. It's a big deal in the UK, of course, and I think that's really interesting that Queen Elizabeth was crowned in 1953. So we've got 2023, 1953. There she is, so many years ago. And we can also see there that this coin has been produced for the country of Niue. And of course, it's being pressed also in 2023. Now, the coronation took place, of course, at the very famous Westminster Abbey, where a lot of royal events and moments do take place. So we can see the Abbey in the background on both sides of this coin. Really nice. Just love the chunkiness of this piece as well. Very common with 1 ounce silver coins. I'm just going to pop that away now. We are going to move on to the gold, and if you'd like to see what the gold looks like, please follow us for part 2.